What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I ain't posted on this channel in so long, but here go a little quick video of my snake cage. I'm just be doing reptile videos because I be fucked up in the crib doing nothing. So here's my snake cage. So this is just something I use when I don't want to use my snake hooks because it's so long. It just helps me get her out a little easier. Better than grabbing my hand. Putting my hand in there and getting fucked up. But so basically, her cage is made out of 2 big storage containers. What up, Kane? What's up, man? Well, dude, can you say hello? Ooh, boy, a monster right there. But sit. Good boy. So the cage is made out of 2 big storage containers. I really just used some creativity and built it myself. It's a little ghetto, but it works. It's got 2 latches to keep her in, and then she got windows so I can see, and kids like to look in there when they come over. Kid made that for me. Then this is her feeding schedule. Get out the garbage. So that's the bullshit. She ready to strike y'all, man. She like, get out of my house. But she's got carpet right here. And then she got 2 PVC pipes right there that she can use. Get down, Kane. And she can climb on those. And her light is up there. She's got a lamp. And then, but she goes down there. You can see her water bowl right there. And then she's got all this room down here, high box right there, heating pad under that. Pretty simple setup for the snake. So, main reason why I built the cage instead of putting her in a fish tank is because, oh shit, my bad, is because, So the main reason I put her in here instead of a fish tank is because, 1, I don't like fish tanks for reptiles. They're small, and that shit's ass. Who wanna live in a fish tank? And she's got so much more space. Like, she has 5 times more space than she would in a fish tank. She got these things to climb on. She can go over. She can go down. She got a whole downstairs. Like, this shit decent. She got a water bowl and everything. Way better than having a fish tank. And it's more interactive for her. And for this, it's more aesthetically pleasing to look at in my room. Big words. But nah. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Might drop another video. Might never post on this channel again. Peace.